So in this video, you'll learn how to remove a location from a photo or from a video on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to remove a location from an already taken photo, then it's fairly simple. Just launch the Gallery app and select the image. Once you've selected the image, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Details to view the photo details. From here, tap on Edit, and then next to your location information, which is the third option on your list of details, just tap on this minus button. Once you've tapped on it, it should now say no location information, which means that you've successfully removed it. From here, you just want to tap on Save to apply the changes, and after a few seconds, you should see the location disappearing from the image. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.